Ma'am is gonna look good at the holiday parties. I'm telling you. When I walk through, hey, when I walk through, hey, when I walk through. Who? Oh, me. I'm Mary, honey. Dip. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am April Sunny, and if you haven't noticed, today's video is a hair video. I got a secret to tell you. It's a wig. Get on up out of here, girl. So y'all know it is officially hat and ashy knuckle season. You know this. So this is the perfect time of year to try a beginner-friendly wig. Thank you to Unice for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful wig. Let's get into the specs and what you get with purchase. Okay, so you get a satin drawstring bag, a brush, some lashes, wig caps, a scarf, and of course, your wig. I have a thin V-part wig in 24 inches. It has 2 clips on both sides of the wig cap and a few inches below the bottom of the V part. 2 combs on each side and a comb at the nape area, as well as adjustable straps. And so once I took it out of the packaging, I shampooed it with the Kenya Moore shampoo and conditioner, and I let it air dry overnight. So the next morning, I determined where I wanted my thin V part to be. Now the wig is laid out for the part to be in the center of your head, but I didn't want a center part, so I did a little off to the side. As for the rest of my hair, I put it in a one singular low braid, and then I covered that with a stocking cap. I'm pretty positive there is a better way to do this, but keep in mind, I am a beginner at this wig game myself. Okay, so here I'm just clipping those hair clips into place. I am not putting it directly on my hairline. And I did not use the hair clip that was below the V-part wig. I only used the hair clips that were right at the hairline, as well as the hair combs that are on the side of the hair and at the back of the nape. Once that's complete, I can go ahead and divide my leave out into 2 halves to cover the track portion, and I think it's okay. My hair is definitely way more textured than this hair. This hair is super soft, and of course my hair is darker. This hair turned out where it looks like it's more of a number 2. I did end up cutting the hair. I really don't like scraggly ends. I don't like scraggly ends on my real hair. I'm not gonna stand for it on my weave either. You guys, this hair is so stinking soft. I had to use some type of spray. I am still in quarantine, so I had to use what I have. I don't know why I have got to be glued in my house because I never used it. I don't even know why I bought it, but I did. So I had it, I used it, it worked. So now it already has this really pretty wave to it. So I just wanted to enhance that wave. So I pulled out the heavy artillery. Yes, I pulled out my triple barrel waver from True Beauty. As you can see, I picked this up from TJ Maxx. Girl, I live in somebody's TJ Maxx or Marshalls. Don't act like you don't too. I am going to use a little bit of Kim Kimball's Edge Tamer pomade on my edges. I got this side done. I lost the footage, but basically what I did was, so I curled the extensions on 400 and I crimped my hair on 250. I only used the Got to Be Glued on the extensions and I used the heat protectant on my hair. So let's get this finished. See, this is my hair right here. So I'm just gonna put oil on it and spread it on out. And I'm gonna do the same thing for my edges. I do have pomade on it, but I'm gonna put some oil on it too to make it look juicy. I don't know how I look in the back. Let's check the back. Oh, that's cute. I did a good job. I did a good job. She did it. She did that. Bruh. Who gonna say April ain't cute? Not this Christmas party. Okay. I adore this wig and it curled so well. Keep in mind that this hair is very soft and silky in texture, and my hair is 4C relaxed in texture. And I do not relax my hair bone straight. The website did say I could wear this wig without any leave out, but I decided to have leave out. You guys, if you don't know what to do with your hair for the holiday, this hair is hitting them. Love this hair. When I say it is so soft and silky, I am eczema prone, and on my neck, if there is any friction or any type of irritation on my neck, then I will have an entire eczema breakout on my neck, as well as going up into my nape, into my hair. I have enough problems, y'all know that. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the links in the description box down below and subscribe, honey, if you've enjoyed this video. Until the next time, be love. I know you about to show out at the holiday party. Don't hurt them. Just give them a little bit, little swirl, little. Don't touch my hair.